Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you're looking for a high quality wallet, definitely check out this one from Hawanik. It is their slim wallet, and even though it's a slim wallet, don't let it fool you. It can hold a lot. It can hold up to 5 cards and also your ID and even money. I really appreciate it that it comes with a holder for your AirTag. I like how easy it is to open and to close it, and how it securely holds the AirTag so you don't have to worry about it falling out. This is the perfect item for yourself or even for a gift for a loved one. I got it for my husband because he hates bulky wallets. He really appreciates this one because of how it has such a minimalist look and it doesn't make his pants bulge. Up close, you can see the beautiful color. It's in the genuine leather coffee, and this wallet barely weighs anything. So definitely check out our new favorite wallet. That's my point of view.